Good morning. Today we are practicing auscultation of the heart. Our students.
Hello, this is Shifiya from OMA 224. Today we are going to do auscultation of heart. It has 5 points.
Okay.
First one is mitral valve. It's located left side of mid clavicular and the fifth intercostal.
Okay. 2, 3. Put. Okay. Don't afraid. You listening now?
And second one is aortic valve. It's located right side of right side and second intercostal.
Okay. Please listening. Inhale, exhale, don't breathe for a second. Again, listening. Ask, inhale, exhale.
And the third one is pulmonary valve. It's located left side and second intercostal.
Okay. Where? Knees, sternum. Pulmonary valve standing, knees, sternum, second intercostal space, or we assay parasternalis line, second intercostal space, left side of sternum. Yeah?
And the fourth one is tricuspid.
Okay.
It's located the fight process in sternum.
Okay, please listening.
And the fifth one is
Botkina erba points.
Botkina headbutt points.
Where?
It's located left side and third intercostal.
Okay. First, second, third. Okay. Thank you.